Hi, welcome back on the What Yourself channel. Today I'm going to show you how to insert the SIM card and the memory card in your Xiaomi Redmi Note 9. To do this operation, get the key in your hand and search. I'm gonna unclick this. On the left side here there is a small hole which we're gonna push it here like that. Insert it and you have place for the two of your memory card and one SIM card. So you should place the SIM card 1, 2 here, second here, whoops, and there is place for the memory card here. Yes, that is it. And insert it here into the right place, and that's it. Phone now should be see the both of the SIM card and the memory card also too. So I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey.